Hello friends, welcome to TallyPrime API.com. This is Dhaval Goradia from Atom Group. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate your application, ERP or CRM or any other database with TallyPrime using our API post services. Okay, so if you are a first time user, you can create a free trial account. So to create a free trial account, you go to here. Before we initiate the demo, make sure you have both the technology person with you, like the one is your application or ERP software person and the another one is a Tally user who is having a knowledge of a Tally software. Okay, because ultimately your data will going to import in Tally. Okay, so let's begin the trial with the free trial option. Here you can provide your basic information. In free trial you will get 450 records to try. Okay, so the 450 records consist of all our template types like sales, purchase, receipt, payment, item master, ledger master, everything. Okay, so now for the demo purpose, I already have an account, so I will log into my account. So this will be your dashboard. On a dashboard, you will able to see the multiple templates as I mentioned just now, like sales with inventory API, without inventory API, sales order API, credit note with API, debit note API, item master API, ledger master API. So depending upon your requirement, okay, you can choose our API service to import the data in your Tally, right? Here, the moment you create your account, you will able to see your API key. So this is the test key for the testing purpose and this is the live key for your production or a live purpose on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so this test key and live key will remain common for your account for all the templates. Okay, so let's say okay, and here you will able to, so for the demo purpose or a testing purpose, I will explain the method of sales with inventory template. The method and process will remain same for all the templates. Okay, so let's begin with the sales with inventory. Here you will find the option API code and here you will see the option auto master IDs. What is the auto master ID? I will explain you in detail. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the API code. The moment you go to the API code, you will see some method over here, like the API method will be the post method to send the data. The data format will be the JSON format. Okay, and this is our API server URL where you will hit or post your data. Okay, these are the headers and this is the body. Okay, in header, so for the testing purpose, as a third-party software, I'm using the Postman. Okay, so if you are a developer, you are very well aware about the Postman method to testing any APIs. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll come to the headers. So this is the header. Okay, so this header is nothing but your okay, so in header, first option is auth key. So auth key you get from here. Okay, then so this is template key. So for each template we have given a unique key number. So for sales with inventory, the template key is a 1. Okay, company name, so this will be the company name as per your Tally data. Okay, do remember as per your Tally data. If you mention some different name here and the company name is some different in your Tally, then data will not going to import. Okay, auto master 0 or 1, so use 1 or 0 with and without auto master. So what is auto master? So like your application is sending data to Tally. Okay, now in the vouchers there are multiple stock items or customer names and that might be not available in your Tally data. Okay, so if you choose the with auto master, then those new masters will be automatically created in Tally. Okay, and in other case, if the masters of your software and Tally is the same or and up to date, then you can choose option 0. So it will be without auto masters. Okay, so that you can do a trial to understand better. Then there is another option in header is auto master IDs. So again we have given the option which type of auto master IDs you would like to auto create. Now what are the auto master ID? To understand that, let me go back. Here are the auto master IDs. So number 1 is for voucher type, number 2 is a customer, sales ledger, item name, go down, unit of measurement, other charges, GST ledger, and cost centers. So these are the dependent masters of a voucher. So as per your requirement, you can set while posting the data. Okay. So any number, you can keep only 1, you can keep only 2, you can keep 2 and 5 as per your requirement. So the next is version. The next header is a version. So depending upon your Tally version, you can use your ID 1 or 3. So release, if your TallyPrime is release 3 and above, like release 3 and release 4, then you can use the ID version ID 3. If your Tally release is release 3 or below or ERP, then you can use 1 while posting the data. Understood? The next will be the body. So now I'll come to the body part. So this is the body structure. Okay, in this structure or a pattern, you need to post the data from your application. So here the data in a red color are compulsory, that you cannot leave empty, and these are the optional values. If you don't want to sync that data, you can skip that. Okay, so this is the pattern of body, like invoice date, invoice number, voucher type, name, customer name, address, consignee name and address, then dispatch detail, order detail, a sales ledger, okay, product name, okay, then product description, tax rate, HSN code, go down, batch number, manufacturing expiry date, quantity rate, amount, other charges like transport charge, packing charge, discount, any other charges, then CGST, SGST, IGST. Then if you are Tally user are using a cost center, you can mention the cost center name here, narration, e-way bill details, then e-invoice bill details. So nearly we have tried to cover all the fields, okay, with respect to the sales voucher that you can send from your application to Tally, right? So you understood this part. Now let's post some data, okay, via postman. So so that body I have copied here, right? Now I'll click on a send option. So moment I send the data, you will find the result here, 4 records processed successfully. Okay, now I'll come to the Tally. Now there is a one configuration needs to be done in Tally, so that data from API server will be imported automatically in a background. Okay, what are that? So come to the dashboard again. Here you will find the option download TDL. Okay, download TDL. So you need to configure one TDL in your Tally. And you click on the download TDL, you will find a zip file. A zip file is having this exe, okay, and TCP files. So now this exe, API manager.exe, you need to copy in your Tally folder. Okay, how? Let me show you. So this is my Tally folder. I go to here, I go to the properties, I'll go to the open file location, and here that file is exe file. Similarly, you need to copy the TCP file as well in the Tally folder. So once you have copied these two files, and let's create one company for the testing purpose. So I will create a company name as a Atom Group Maharashtra. So the company is created. Now before I initiate, let me go to the help first. Then there is an option TDLs and add-ons. Okay, come to here, there is a manage local TDLs. So I have selected that TCP file here. Okay, so I'll say yes, and there is an option add-on features. So enable Tally Post API, yes, no. So if you are a free trial user, first time user doing a free trial, then you will have to choose the option activate trial and provide the current system date. So from the current system date, it will start trial for the 30 days and 450 records, whichever is higher earlier. So now you will see the option Tally Post API on your gateway of Tally. Go inside, there is a API setting. Go inside, there is a auth key. So mention the auth key as per the website, as per your account. Okay, so I copied that, I'm pasting here, and the company name, okay, which I have used while posting the data. Accept. That's it. There is no other setting in Tally. Okay, now as you can see, there is no masters are created in this data. Okay, only two masters are, or default masters are there in your Tally, and there are no vouchers. If I come here, there are no vouchers, so this company is not having any data. Okay, now to sync the data with the API server, I'll go to the post API, I'll go to the API templates, and which data we have posted, sales with inventory, including the masters. Okay, so let me click on that. So it will initiate the data handshake process in the background. Yes, so the process is completed quickly. Now if I'll go to the let's say alter ledgers, yes, all the ledgers are now created. Okay, if I'll go to the alter and stock items, yes, product 1 2 3 4 are auto created based on the automaster IDs. Okay, now let me show you the voucher. So 2 sales voucher I have posted, one sales voucher having a 1 product and another sales voucher is having a 3 products. Okay, so in totality it's a 4 records. Okay, so let me show one voucher. So party name, dispatch details, order details, buyer name, consignee name, Virat Enterprise, Sachin Enterprise, both are captured properly with the GST number. Then the product name, quantity, rate, amount, sales ledger, then description, then transport charge, packing charge, discount, other charge, CGST, SGST, everything is captured properly as per the data you have posted on the API server. Then the another voucher is having a product 2, product 3, product 4, right? Quite simple. Yes, so this is the one-time setup. Once you have implemented our API in your application, keep sending the data after each transaction or in a bulk in a day, whatever method you would like to. So here I have chosen the option of manual sync. Like I come here, I came here and then I have clicked. If you would like to automate this process in Tally, then we have given a import schedule option as well. So in import schedule for each templates, we have provided a 3 schedules. Okay, so now to make sure these schedules work, you need to keep your Tally open and data open. Okay, so you can dedicate or assign any particular computer or a server in your office. Keep the Tally open 24/7, set the schedule, it will automatically handshake the data with our API server, and your data, your accountant will get updated data in your Tally. Okay, whenever they check the data. So this is how it works. Additionally, we have given a API log option as well. So on what date, what time, which user, which template, how many count of voucher have been imported. So as we have seen, there is a 2 sales voucher have been imported. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you that might create a confusion for you later, so better I'll explain here. So in a first voucher we have only one product. So for invoice number 101, only one array is created. Now for invoice number 102, there are 3 products. So for invoice number 2, a 3 array will be created. So body open, then rest of the information, product 2. Okay, then body close, again body open, same invoice number. Okay, but the product name is a different, product 3. Again the body will be closed, again the body will be open, with the same invoice number and different product. Okay, so here in other charges ledger, you can mention the charges for each items differently, and ultimately it will sum and import the tally. If you don't want to repeat the other charges or a CGST, SGST for each item, then you can set that there's ledgers and charges in the first array only. So in both the way it will work. Okay, so this is how our API solution works. You can try yourself. If you face some issues, you can call our support desk number. They will help you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.